The crypto market melt up continues, and guess who decided to join the party? XRP and XLM. And I was just looking at the XLM chart. We have an urgent alert, a signal that's about to flash right now, which is massive. XRP as well too. So that's what we're going to cover in this video, as well as do a general market update, see where the total crypto market cap is, Bitcoin is, and then the dollar and the market drivers like that. So if you're new here, subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave a like and a comment, share this with every XRP and XLM holder you know, and watch this video as well too. I'll link this in the description of this video. Just 8 days ago, I had made a video, XRP and XLM final countdown for massive price explosions to all-time highs in 2024. And my friends, we're at the beginning stage. We're at the lead up. So we just saw a pop. There's nothing compared to what's on the horizon. So definitely watch this video for the bigger picture. I'm just going to cover the short term for now. But let's go into the bond yields right now. We came down to 4.077%, which was the 786, and we're finding a bounce right now. We do want to see that ultimately roll over. I think we had some macro data come out today, the jobs report. I'm not sure how that went, but as far as the prices of crypto, they're going up. So it must have been positive for crypto. So yeah, with the bond yields, we do have the momentum's trying to curl back to the upside, but we still have that TSI, if we're looking on the weekly chart, cross down. So as long as that's crossed down, the direction is lower, and we are forming like a rising wedge, and we did have that 1 week sell now signal, and I think we might have had a 2 week, no 2 week sell now. We had that back here in October of 2022. So the direction remains to the downside for the bond yields. We had the momentum headed down. And then if we look at the dollar, we're at 104.15. Let me clean this up a bit. We are finding a little bit of a bounce on that 200 moving average, and we're getting back above that 50 moving average. We do want to break below 102.5 for the dollar to remain going lower. If we go to the weekly chart, we had that stock RSI come down here, but now it's looking like it wants to cross up. Looks like it wants to cross up. So we do need to maintain below this 20 line, so this doesn't confirm that the dollar wants to come back up here. And we want to get back below the 50 moving average on the weekly chart, which is at 103.5. So it's crucial that we find a rejection here as soon. We may even pop up to fill. I think there's a gap up here with the dollar. Yeah, a gap all the way up here at 106.67. We could come up there and fill it and then roll back over. But as long as that 1 day TSI remains below the zero line, then we're in good business. Because once that got above back here, that was the confirmed uptrend. We did have the buy now flash. But as long as we have that TSI remain below the zero line, we're good. So then let's go into the stock market. Stock market has been ranging above 16,000. Right now we're at 15,990. If we go to the weekly chart and kind of zoom out a bit, we're super close to setting a new all-time high. Let's go. Oh, sorry, that's not the weekly chart. Weekly chart right here. Yeah, super close for a new all-time high. And we took out this previous local high back here in July, but we're about maybe from current levels about 5% away. We're 5% away from a new all-time high. We do have the momentum coming up on the weekly chart, but we need more. We're above the zero line, but we need more. So I want to see for the remainder of this year going into January, more momentum to the upside. We don't want to see this cross back over and down, because then we'd see some bearish divergence, because we have a high here and a lower high so far, but we have a high here and a higher high. So we need to see that TSI pull up and get back above this level here, back from July of this year. Then if we look at the total crypto market cap is getting close to the next level, the 2618 extension at 1.61 trillion. Whatever we break a micro 786, we were covering this on our videos last week, we usually come right up to the 2618 extension. We just blast right through the 1618. So it's likely we have some more immediate upside for the total crypto market cap. And if we're strong enough, we can head up to the 3618 and the 4236 extension, which likely we are going to head up to there, which is around 1.8 trillion. Because remember, I just said if we break a 786, we go right up to that 2618 extension. Well, we broke this 786 and we just melted up through that 1618 extension of the yellow. So it's likely coinciding with the red 4236 extension, we're going to come up to that 2618 extension of the medium fib, which is at 1.82 trillion. And then if we're strong enough, we can get up here to the 786 of the whole macro bull market to the bottom of the bear market, which would be around 2.2 to 2.3 trillion, coinciding with this purple moving average here. So let me actually delete this so you can see a little better. Yep, so that's where I think we're going to be headed to. I think we could reach up to 1.8 by December this year, and then maybe in January we can head up to the 2.2 to 2.3. But hey, we could be strong enough to just melt up to the 2.4 or 2.3 trillion market cap in December. So we have an exciting December ahead of us. Then we have the total three, the altcoin market cap doing something massive right now, which is poking its head out of the belly of the beast. This is what I wanted to show you on XLM as well too. We have a 3-day sell warning, and we poked our head out of the belly of the beast. We broke above the micro 786 here, and it's likely, and the 786 down here. So remember, we go right to that 2618 extension, bang, and then another one, bang. So that's our next zone, 514 to 530 billion. That's a massive more upside from here, 14% to 18% for the whole entire altcoin market cap. Looking very good. This is looking very good. And especially, we might start to move fast because we're just poking our head out of the belly of the beast. Just like back here when we poked our head out, it was just up only, up only. So an exciting December for the altcoins, that's for sure. Looking very good. And then looking at that 3-day chart, we're looking at the 3-day. Look at the TSI. We're about to cross down. It said, nope, I want to go again. Dark green MACD coming in. More upside for altcoins in December. You know, we were saying back early October, late September that, hey, the bull run is imminently away, and now we're seeing it. So very exciting. And then we have the target of this rectangle here, which is pointing up to that 2618 extension. That's our first zone, 514 to 530 billion. Until we get up to that zone, then I start getting cautious. But right now, I'm massively bullish and looking for greased up levy trades. Then if we look at Bitcoin dominance, we are coming back down. So that's a 3-day chart. Yeah, looking like the Bitcoin dominance is ready to roll over. It's like, you know, we have a high here, a low, we do a lower high, and then we roll over. We have a high here, a low, a lower high, and then we're starting to roll over. Bitcoin dominance is going to start to roll over hard, in my opinion. And if we look at the weekly chart, yeah, we just made a new high, but we're getting rejected hard right now from the high back in October. So it's likely this rising wedge is going to play out, and we can come down to the top of the belly of the beast around 45% for Bitcoin dominance. We're currently at 54%. Bitcoin at 43,722. My belief is that we're going to be coming up to 47K to 50K by the end of this year. We're making our way up to that point right now. We had a breakout out of this kind of like ascending channel here. We had a breakout, and then we have our pull right here. And then if we were to duplicate this and drag it up from the breakout, brings us right up to that level as well too. And then we have the 2618 extension right there, as well as the macro 786. So that's our, and the purple moving average. And we still have our 3-day sell warnings, no sell now yet. Nailing it. So yeah, that's where I believe we're going to be going next for Bitcoin, and at that point I think we could find a little bit of a correction. All right, now that the moment we all been waiting for, XRP, we got on the 12-hour chart momentum coming up heavy right now. If we look at the 1-day chart, this is what we covered. We had that TSI cross up right above the 0 line, MACD green rising, super bullish right now. This is just the start. This is just the start of the move. We're riding that 50 moving average on the daily, and if we can come up here and break 71 cents, then I believe we can come up in a big way. We can go to $1.15, but before that, we'll probably see 88 cents. No, sorry, 71 cents and then 79 cents, which is both 786s, the micro move and the macro move. Then if we can break this 786, likely we'll come up to this 1618 extension around 89 cents, coinciding with this purple moving average. And if we're strong enough, we can head up and break above that purple moving average, head up to that $1.15 to $1.31 level, even $1.50, which is coinciding with that orange purple moving average here. I think we're on the precipice of all-time highs. I'm telling you, we're on the precipice of it. If we look at the 1-week chart, we're TSI crossing up above that 0 line. We had another dark green print on the MACD, and the stock RSI is crossing up as well too. So it's looking very nice. And then if you watch this video, I cover more of the macro side of it and what I was seeing. So definitely watch that video. The link will be in the bio for that. And yeah, we're well on our way to making it up over 70 cents in my opinion. Everything's looking strong as far as XRP goes, and we just started to gear up. Looking at that 3-day chart, we cooled off in the stock RSI. TSI was about to cross down. It said nope, and then pushed back up. Big MACD print, So yeah, we're in for some solid movement here over the next couple of days to weeks for XRP and XLM. So that's XRP looking very nice. We want to see that 3-day stock RSI cross up confirm, and 71 cents our next level. XLM, right? XRP already broke out of the belly of the beast, but XLM, looking like the total 3 market cap, is breaking out of the belly of the beast as we speak. That's where we found a rejection level back here in July, folks. Like, this is massive. XLM could start to gear up in a big way. We had a rejection here, our rejection here in November, and now we're breaking above it. We're about to confirm this in about 6 hours, 36 minutes, and we're running into the 786 at 0.132. If XLM can close above 0.132 and have a lot of momentum, which it is on the 1-day chart, look at this, then we could fire up quickly to 0.155 for XLM. It's looking very, very strong. Breaking out of the belly of the beast is no joke. Plus, breaking out of a 786 is no joke either. If we can do that and close above with daily candle closes, then it's likely we're going to come up to the 1618 at the very least. But I think we're going to melt up to that 786 around 17 cents. And if we can break up through that, we're likely coming to 23 to 26 cents for XLM, and that's coinciding with that purple moving average. That's a 1-day chart, momentum looking strong. We look at the 3-day chart, same thing as XRP. Stock RSI above that 50 line, crossing up. TSI got above the 0 line, and it's ready to start to point up in a big way. So XRP, XLM looking phenomenal. They're just starting to gear up. So in my opinion, looking at the whole rest of the market, this is just the beginning of the move. And total 3 breaking out of the belly of the beast as well too. Everything's looking great. Everything is looking great. Stock market is doing well as well too. Dollar looking like it's still rolling over. Yep, so this is looking solid. And Bitcoin to 48K to 50K by the end of this year, in my opinion. Not financial advice, not a financial advisor. So that's going to be it, guys. Look at all the green on the board. It's time to get after it. So if you're trying to get after it, join the Discord. Link is in the bio for that. Rob at Stargate. We're doing a special offer for December. If you want the software, like these indicators, to be able to know when to buy, when to sell, and get the belly and the beast and the 2024 moonshot template of all those videos I've been doing, we're running a special offer. So either go to stargate-ventures.com, put in a contact form to get that special offer, or join the Discord. Link is in the bio. Rob at Stargate. Friend request me in there. Rob at Stargate. Rob Stargate. So I'll see you guys over there and in the next video.